TikTok Analytics not showing 2024. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. So first of all, open up your Play Store and search for TikTok. Now tap on TikTok and make sure your TikTok is updated to the latest version. Now go back to your home screen and keep holding your TikTok icon until this menu pops up. Now go to App Info, go to Storage Uses and tap on Clear Data. Now restart your TikTok application. Now log into your account. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Again at top right corner, tap on the three lines and go to Settings and Privacy. Now go to Privacy and make sure the toggle of private account is turned off. Now go to Comments. Now next to Comments, select Everyone. Go back, tap on Mentions. Make sure to select Everyone. Go back, tap on Duet. Select Everyone. Go back, following list Everyone. So you have to select all of this to everyone and go back. Now tap on Account and select Switch to Business Account. Now tap on Next. Now scroll down a bit and select Media and Entertainment and tap on Next. Tap on Skip and tap on Maybe Later. Now go back. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three lines and select Creator Tools. So here you will find Analytics. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to search a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.